So we would do the presentation, and then after we're done presenting the topic on Frederick Douglass, we would do a Kahoot. So to do a Kahoot, you go to kahoot.it and tell all the students to go to this website, and then they would enter in the game pin on their electronic device. And once they've entered in that pin on their device, they can begin to play the Kahoot game. This is a good option for a pre-test to see what the kids know. So to do a Kahoot,
you just hit start and then let the kids answer the questions. So we've got 5 questions. Where was Frederick Douglass born? And then you click an answer. I'm going to click Maryland because I'm thinking it's Maryland. Oh my word, I got it right. And that's how you play. And then you hit next, see the scores that the kids got. Leadership board. What day did Douglass pick as his birthday? And then you go over and click the right answer, and that's how you play. But to keep reviewing, we're going to keep going through these questions. Who taught Douglass the alphabet? We're going to click the right answer. Miss Auld. Next. We're in first. What was Douglass's escape disguise? We're going to click a sailor. What? We got it right! Next, we are in the leadership board. Why was Douglass's marriage controversial? It was because his wife was white. Back in those days, that was unacceptable. And then Zach is in the leadership board. Get results. And those are the results of the class.
That's all you have to do.